dope. Oh, that one? It's like they're on a PlayStation controller. That one's pretty dope. My Hero Academy in their dorms. Hee Animal Crossing. Pikachu's!
Hey, for Brady.
Right, she already has them. I guarantee you, she already has all of them.
We were having an argument the other day.
Bro, if they had a big Snorlax, I would take it.
I think they did have one.
If you see a big one, bro, I'm getting it.
Why?
Because I love Snorlax. Snorlax from Totoro. Hentai! They got like huskies. He's not big enough.
He's not big enough? Okay. There's an actual face.
I see him. No, I want the one like when we went to Vegas. That big one. Cute though. Richard! Maybe they'll have a bigger one tomorrow. Oh, that Charizard, Charmander is really cute too.
Well, why Snorlax out of all the Pokemon?
I feel like, I don't know, because he's the first one I think of that I just want to hug. I guess, like, the first thing I think of is Snorlax. Or Tortoro. You know Tortoro? You never watched My Neighbor Tortoro? It's like an old anime. Look him up. He's basically pretty big, like Snorlax. It was out before, like, Pokemon. And that's all he did was sleep. He was a spiritual forest animal. Cream right here. We got passion fruit. Fuck with boba. We live or die boba. We're about to start heading for some food and get some Korean barbecue. Where? Hola, we're here for day 2 at the convention, the anime Matsuri, and we're gonna go check out some of the food trucks right now and then go check what everything is inside. So very excited. It is freaking hot. It's like 100 degrees, so my makeup's gonna melt itself off. I don't care though, I'm excited. Let's go.
everybody else's stuff, man.
Well, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed everything that we have over at the anime Matsuri now for like to like kind of chill out for the day and stuff. What we're gonna do, we're gonna head to bowling with the familia. So I want y'all to check that out with us. Come through.